Alright guys, welcome back to another spaghetti hill climb. This is the last one. I'm hiding behind my car guys because it is windy. Up on this hill I am freezing and you wouldn't be able to hear me if I was standing up normally like now. I'm not sure if you can, but we have a little bit of sun guys. We're making the most of it. We've got the viewpoint here overlooking basically the area that I live in. But guys, this hill climb was by far the best one. We were absolutely hammering it and it's just a matter of trying to get it right. The roads are narrow, it's very tight corners, they're a little bit wet, so I was sliding around, but guys, we managed to get it done. Stay locked in. Let's go! And we've got to try and time this guys with the cars, so this is going to be tricky. It always is. So I'm going to start this because this car's coming past. We need 2 minutes on here between cars because some cars go up slower, some cars go up faster. But the clock is starting now. It's on my phone. Doesn't help with the wet roads guys because she's shifting over. Minute 10 guys, 1 minute 10. We would absolutely be beating this time if it weren't for these cars. 1 minute 20 and the top is right here. We would so have beaten that time. 1 minute 28 guys, we absolutely had that in the bag. Alright guys, we're ready for run number 2. This has got to be the final one. This has got to work because I do not want to do this again. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Sliding. I don't know guys. She isn't feeling. Baby, let's go! Woo! 113. Come on. 120. Yeah, buddy! Woo! That's, my friends, is how it's done. Persistence pays off, guys. Whew! That was hot. Yeah, boy. Righty guys, so that is Spaghetti Hill Climb number 3 wrapped up. We have managed to beat our time, and it was absolutely, it wasn't smooth. It took me forever to get the shot because I had to wait for the cars to go. But guys, what an awesome video. I personally enjoyed hammering the car. It's always nice to see what they're fully capable of. But guys, stay locked in. There's going to be more hill climbs coming. There's going to be more time trials being done to see what these cars can do, guys. Abarth 595 Turismo, yeah buddy. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit a like and a subscribe if you have not already. I am still hiding behind the car, guys, because I'm literally shivering. I'm shaking up here. But anyways guys, I will see you in the next video. As always, lekker, bye.